What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and today we have a Lashy Box. Y'all know this is my favorite. Y'all know this one won't be long. So if you guys want to see what's in February's Lashy Box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, welcome back. As I said in the intro, I am TonyaNicole, for you guys that may not know, and welcome to my unboxing world. Today, guys, we're going to be doing a Lashy Box, which is my favorite subscription. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. February's Lashy Box. Y'all already know how this process goes. So we're gonna do shout outs first, then we're gonna do specs, we're gonna rate it, final thought it out, all of that good stuff. So let's get started. Before I do my unboxing, I want to give a big super duper shout out to my 5 first commenters from Wednesday's video. I will plaster you guys' name right up there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to your girl. I appreciate you all and everyone that watches me. Thank you guys again. Y'all do know that I do post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I'm doing shout outs now on my first 5 commenters. Just, you know, a part of keeping you guys involved in my unboxings and, you know. So we're gonna do Lashy Box today, which now I'm starting to get more lash subscriptions, guys. And y'all, I have really been feeling these boxes. I mean, ooh, Lashy Box is my favorite, but you have a couple that's like right on Lashy Box behind. So yeah, guys. So without further ado, let's get the specs and get this box on and popping, boo. What y'all doing this weekend anyway, before we get into that? Y'all know it's crew de vous for me. So tomorrow, please be on my Instagram. I think I'm going to be going live around 7 p.m. So, because the parade starts at, I think, 6:30, and by the time it gets to me, it should be close to 7. So, yeah, make sure you guys are tuned in to my Instagram live, okay? So for you guys that do not know, a Lashy Box is a $13.99 per month a lash and beauty subscription. You get 3 to 4 pairs of lashes each month. You get some makeup tools, you get eyelash glue, you get eyeshadow palettes. It's just a variety of things each month that you receive in this box. The value is supposed to be between $50 and $80 each month. And if you want to subscribe to Lashy Box, I do have a link down below. Let's go on and get this baby popping and cracked open and see what it do. Y'all need a dance break and a drink break? I still don't have no drink. I mean, I don't know what's going on. And I'm sorry, guys, if I sound a little nasally today. I am not feeling well, but that's the way life goes, right? Yeah. So we're going to cut it open. All right. Oh, God. I'm not giving y'all no sneak peek. Ooh, girl. So y'all do know that February is a Black History Month and Lovers Month because it's Valentine's Day. And yeah, y'all know I love anything about love and Black history. It is just like right up my alley. So remember that when you're watching this unboxing. Okay. So guys, up first I am seeing from Lashy Box these 3D silk lashes in the style Sweetheart, and there are like little hearts on the outside of the packaging, and I guess it's Sweetheart for the month of February, Lovers Month. I do hope that some of my boxes have some Black history themed things in them. That would be very nice to see, but we'll see. So let's open it up, guys, so y'all can see them really good. And these are what they are looking like, guys. I hope you all can see that. These are definitely more on the natural side, and I don't mind that because, let me see, maybe I can do it like this. Yeah, this is better. These are more on the natural side, which I do not mind because, like, today I'm wearing some really natural lashes that I could actually wear for work, and I just wanted it to be kind of like a toned down day, not a real dramatic day. So these are definitely some that I will be wearing, guys. And I will try to find the prices of all of these lashes and put them down below for you guys just in case, okay? Up next, guys, was the pair that I saw that made my mouth drop open, and this is from Shop Candy Lashes, and these are in the style, I don't know. Oh, Pop Rocks. The packaging is gorgeous. It is the little candies that you get for Valentine's Day, the little heart candies that say be mine and love me, puppy love. So this is so cute. I am totally digging the packaging, and Candy Lashes have some really pretty lashes, and these are like, ooh, girl, that's TonyaNicole style. You see they're short to long, that sexy, sexy cat eye look. And these would be perfect for a date night, especially a first date when you want to bat them lashes to say, you know, hey boo, how you doing? Yes, and I will definitely be wearing these for Mardi Gras, guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. These are gorgeous. So next up, we have these Ruby May Premium 3D lashes in the style 3D06, I don't know, but this is what the packaging is looking like, guys. I hope it's not a glare and you guys can see. I am going to take them out of the box. I'm going to put it up against this white surface, and this is what these lashes are looking like, and they are also very natural lashes, perfect for work, perfect for any natural lash lovers. Now, I do just get the base box. I don't get any soft glam or dramatic. I just get the regular LashyBox box that's like $13.99 a month. So I get a mixture of both dramatic and natural, bold lashes in my box, which I really do love. And these are some that I will wear to work, or, you know, just when I want a non-dramatic day. I see LashyBox is switching up their packaging on us. We have from LashyBox these 3D silk lashes in the style First Date. And look at the packaging, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. They have this one and this one. LashyBox is okay, LashyBox. I get you. I see you, boo. Let's take them out. I told y'all that's the style First Date. Ooh. I would love to know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. If you have a Valentine's, what are y'all gonna do? And this is what the lashes look like, guys, right here. Gorgeous and natural lashes. Again, for all of my natural lash lovers, beginners, these are perfect for you. Or even my bold and dramatic lovers that just want to be, you know, a little natural on certain days. And our last item came wrapped in this bubble wrap, and y'all know what it is. It's a palette. It is a 10 shadow palette, the Tropics 2 from O'Kalin Cosmetics, I guess. So this is what the outside packaging is looking like, which I am totally digging and loving. Oh, it does not come with a mirror, but oh girl, this is how it looks when you open it up. And let's slide this off because this is very pretty. This is what the palette looks like. Oh my goodness, y'all. I am digging these colors. They are gorgeous. You have, it looks like 4 shimmer shades and the rest are matte shades. Oh, I love this. We're gonna swatch them. Let's swatch them and see. Oh, they feel very, very, very buttery. And this is how those colors are swatched on my hand. I think I mixed this one with another one. I think I mixed the gold and the red together. So there you have it. Sorry, but they did swatch out beautifully, guys. And I am definitely feeling this palette here. And we did get this little eyelash glue as well. So that was my final product in this month's box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate it, and we're gonna be done. So we received from O'Kalin this Tropics 2 eyeshadow palette here. From LashyBox, these 3D silk lashes in the style First Date. From Ruby May Cosmetics, these 3D lashes here. From LashyBox, again, these 3D silk lashes in the style Sweetheart. And from Candy Lashes, these lashes in the style Pop Rocks. So 4 lashes and 1 10 shadow palette for this month, guys. Final thoughts. So I don't really think it's even necessary for me to go into detail. Final thoughts on this box is I absolutely love this month's box. These 3 lashes right here would be my favorite from the box. These are okay, but I probably would definitely wear these 3 pairs here. And the palette, oh my God, it's swatched out so pretty. I am definitely digging all of these colors. So I would say that this was a pretty good box. Y'all know if you you are a lash lover like I am, you need to go ahead on and subscribe to LashyBox and pick you out some either bold lashes, well, dramatic lashes, soft natural lashes, or you can get the mini box if you just want to try it out. They always have nice palettes, nice tools in the box. So I would think that this month is a winner for me. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire! To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying. I'm going to give a Lashy Box for the month of February, the Love Black History Month. I'm going to give them a solid 4 to 4.5 for this month. I really did enjoy. I think this palette is going to be gorgeous on me. I really enjoyed this month's box. So yes, Lashy Box, good job once again. Y'all know TonyaNicole loves Lashy Box. So guys, let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts on this box. Let me know if you're subscribed to this company yet or not. If you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All of those links will be down below. And for today, I'm going to do a little giveaway for you guys. Since it is Friday, we're going to be giving this palette away, the Emerald palette by Beauty Creations. I can't remember which box I got it in, but I thought it would be fun just to give this palette to one of my lucky subscribers. It does come with a mirror, guys. So yes, the rules for the giveaway for this palette will be down below in the description, so make sure you read them and just follow the rules, guys. And that is all that I have for this video. I had a lot of fun filming this video. Y'all know I love Lashy Box. I love communicating with you guys in the comments below. So yes, guys, that is all that I have. Until next time and next video, you guys have a marvelous weekend. Don't forget, I will be going live on Instagram tomorrow at about 7 o'clock-ish, depending on what time the parade passes. So that's all that I have, guys. Have a beautiful weekend, and I will see you guys in the comments below and on Monday's video. Take care, guys. Be safe. Bye.